Merry Christmas, guys! As you can see, I have a beautiful Christmas tree behind me, and it's not really Christmas yet, but that's the vibe. So, today I'm gonna tell you about my trading story, and I wanna make something very clear from the beginning. Why should you care? Because I already know, like, you probably opened this video by accident, and you're questioning, like, what am I doing? Who is this guy? So, first of all, my name is Michael and I'm from Italy. And I've been in trading for more than 5 years now. And the reason why you should care is that I am in a unique position because I've been doing this for more than 5 years. I'm not profitable yet and I'm not quitting. So eventually I will get there. And most of the people by now in my position either are profitable and they are in Dubai with some hot chicks, or they quit and they're doing something else. So I managed to collect many experiences and I learned many lessons that I will share with you guys. So let's begin. I started studying trading in 2020, summer, and I started by discovering ICT. I watched basically all of his videos at the time. He had like 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. And after 2 months, I decided that I was ready to trade. So I took my money and I tried to trade on a brokerage account. And it didn't go well, of course. How could it? At the end of the year, ICT launched his final private mentorship, okay? And I just had to sign up because I didn't know what I was doing. So I spent like all 2021 studying ICT, getting better at reading the charts without ever trading. I started trading on January 2022. And let's say that I wasn't too bad because I was able to read higher time frame charts, but then I wasn't able to open trades. I was trading Forex on 15-minute and 5-minute time frames. And I was using like basic strategy of ICT with fair value gaps, order blocks, you know it. The problem was that I wasn't able to open trades because, yeah, I knew where the price was going and I was usually right on the daily. But then on lower time frames, I was blocked. I was live paper trading. And people say, like, paper trading, it doesn't trigger any emotions. Yes, for you maybe that are degenerates, but for me, it was different. Why it was different? Because I managed to quit my job because I made some money with crypto. But maybe we'll talk about that in another video. So I had money from crypto that I wanted to use to trade. So my paper trading, it was kind of like some people prop firm challenge. And I knew that once I was ready on paper trading, I would use my funds. So yes, it did trigger my emotions by a lot. So I was scared. I was scared of opening trades. I was scared of letting them run and I would close them too early. I was impatient. I had it all. In the end, it happened the worst of things. ICT dropped the 2022 mentorship and I fell in love. I saw the 1-minute trading. I didn't even think it was possible at that point. The strategy seemed kinda mechanical, even if it wasn't, okay? So I thought, of course, this is it. Trading with IK instructions. I'm gonna be the best 1-minute sniper. I will be Fades ICT. Yeah! No. I couldn't make it work even if my life was depending on it. So I spent like all year trying to make it work, and then I jumped on those videos like 80% win rate strategy ICT or never lose again with this secret rule. You know those videos because everyone has seen them at least once. So by the end of 2022, I started buying challenges because I decided to invest my money differently, okay? And that only meant that I started losing challenges because I wasn't ready. By early 2023, I decided to say enough with mechanical strategies. They don't work, and I will talk about that in another video. And after a couple months trading discretionary with all the things that I learned, all the small improvements, in managing emotions, I managed to get funded on 100K. So I was pretty happy, and I thought, well, 3 years in, I'm ready. I am the chosen one. But I wasn't, definitely not. And I lost it very quickly. And for the rest of the year, all 2023, I didn't even pass a single phase one. So think how many challenges I lost. And then on 2024, it happened for the first time that I managed to pass phase one, but then I lose on phase two. And that one was very bad because I thought, what is this shit? Like, it shouldn't happen. If you pass phase one, you should also pass phase two. It's easier. Well, not always, at least if you're not profitable. But after a couple months, I managed to get funded again, 100K. And I was happy then because I thought, well, this is it. This is the start of my rising, okay? But it wasn't, again. This time, because I started experimenting things, like I started swing trading, I started trading gold, I started trading cross pairs like GBP, CAD, or, NZD, JPY, these things. And obviously, it didn't work, but I learned many lessons and I also improved my trading. In fact, I started trading gold and swing trading more because I felt comfortable with that. Towards the end of 2024, I took a decision that completely changed my trading. And that was buying two challenges. So one for swing trading and one for intraday trading. Something funny happened because the swing trading that should be slower is where I get funded first. Meanwhile, during all 2025, I managed to pass that phase one on intraday account. Then I lost it. Then I bought another challenge and I lost it again. And now I bought a third challenge. This is the third intraday challenge I buy this year, which is still an improvement because, I used to buy 10 challenges a year. Now it's 3. And I managed to pass phase one. So I'm almost there to get funded. So this is where I am now. I am funded on Swing account. I have a phase 2 unlocked for intraday account, both for 100K. And I consider myself a break-even trader. Why? Because I noticed that I'm not really losing trades too much. I'm not navigating drawdowns like I used to. It just takes time because I trade on higher time frames. Like my lowest time frame is the 15-minute. So obviously I have less setups than most of you guys because maybe you're trading the 5-minute or the 1-minute. So yeah, it's taking me time, but I'm pretty confident I'm gonna get there. Now that I told you my story, I wanna tell you why I'm making this video. Because I already know that you're thinking, okay, Mike, this is your story, fair enough, but why are you making this video? And I wanna be 100% honest with you guys because my goal here is to build credibility. I'm not a guru and I don't really wanna be one, okay? In fact, you don't see a Lambo over here. Wait, now there is a Lambo behind me. So, jokes aside, the thing is, I need money, as everyone does. And I want to make videos now that I can build a real credibility, a strong one. Hopefully, in the future, I will get monetized on this channel. So I will start making money. It might not be cool to say, but honestly, I don't care. I'm an honest person, okay? And I want to tell you guys the truth. This is why I'm doing these videos. The difference is that, yes, I'm not profitable yet, but I learned so many things that I can teach you guys that maybe you are like 1 or 2 years in, and I can make you save time. because I have just more experience than you. I failed more time than you. And this is why on this channel, I will talk about the things that I learned during my journey. I will share my weekly analysis, my weekly trading activity, so all the trades that I open, if I open them. So next video should be like a trade recap or like a weekly analysis for next week. And yeah, see you soon.